Babe, I want to talk to you about how to make a woman want you more and more and more. And why is this so important for you as a man to watch? Because let's be honest, you're not out on the streets getting hit up by women. Women aren't just confessing their undying love for you. They're not expressing how much they desire you. Men just don't get that. And let's be super honest. Your buddies aren't telling you how desirable you are, how attractive you are, how much of a man you are, a man's man. You're not getting that kind of feedback. So it's really important that you know what to do to make a woman really want you more and more. And listen, at the end of my videos, I am starting to give you a pep talk, words of encouragement, because you're probably not getting that anywhere in your life. And you as a man, you need that motivation. You need to know that you can be inspired so that you want to go out and be successful and be with a woman who really desires you. So to make a woman want you more and more, it really comes down to your energy. What are you putting off? Are you magnetic? Are you that guy that you're pulling women into you? Or are you repulsing women? So how do you know if you're repulsing women? Well, I can tell you, if you're super negative, if you're always wearing a frown, if you have very desperate, needy energy, if you have weak energy where you need everyone to make decisions for you, where you're not leading and guiding, if you're showing up with any of these, I can assure you that you are repulsing and putting away the right kind of women. You may attract traumatized women who need you to take care of them. You may attract toxic women who want your money and they don't even want you. Yes, that is toxic. So if you're showing up in these type of energies, then you are actually pushing women away and they're not wanting you more and more. And let's be really honest, what is wanting you more and more? They're wanting you for the real you, the person that lights them up, the person that makes them excited. It's a genuine connection. It's not some bullshit that's laced on expectations of what you can do for them, but it's about who you are and how they feel in your presence. So how do you make a woman want you more and more? A woman has to feel safe around you. She has to feel good around you, and she has to enjoy being in your company. So you might be saying, Eric, well, how the hell do I do that? Well, you start doing it for yourself. Now, I have my Magnetic Man program that teaches you exactly how to do that. It's especially good if you're in the beginning stages and maybe you do feel weak, maybe you do feel shy, maybe you see that women are repulsed by you. It teaches you how to do it from the very beginning when you're in that energy to all the way to the very end to where you're powerful, magnetic, and women are being drawn to you. And I bragged on a recent client of mine, John, who's been doing the work that I've been sharing. And he said he was a typically shy guy. And he was a guy that was just like, well, whatever woman came to him, that's a woman he accepted. And when he started doing the work and changing his energy and really magnetizing his energy as he faced himself and started falling in love with himself, when he started doing that, he said, Erica, all of a sudden women are coming to me, and for the first time, a woman just came out of the clear blue and asked me for my phone number. And that felt so good. I've never in my whole life had that happen. And that's the reality, babe, is that when you start changing you, when you start changing the energy, everything is energy. When you start changing the energy you're putting out, when you're leading from confidence, you're taking charge, you're being positive, you're smiling, you're excited about your own life, you're driven with something, you have a purpose, even if that purpose is making yourself better. Lead with that energy. Tell women about that. Hey, I'm doing things with my life. I'm elevating who I am as a man. I'm getting focused on my vision. I'm dealing with myself. I'm healing my traumas. Yeah, women want to know that men are starting to elevate. And when you communicate that kind of proactive energy of, I am doing something with my life, this makes women want you more and more. When they see a man who is focused, a man who has positive energy, meaning he's happy, he's positive, and when they feel safe with you. These three things make a woman want you more and more and more and more. So make sure, if you're like, Erica, I need an actual blueprint of exactly how to do that, then you want to make sure right now you get that Magnetic Man. It's in the comments. it's also in the description. So here's the thing, babe. Also, make sure you comment, I am a magnetic man. I want to see that in the comment section. I want you to proclaim that over yourself. In fact, when you're finished with this video, I want you to proclaim that in the mirror. So here's my pep talk for you. Also, make sure that you subscribe and like this video. That will help me out tremendously. Here's the thing, baby. Here is your pep talk. The reality is you actually are a magnetic man. Chances are you've had experiences or you believed other people's voices and their stories about you, or maybe just life circumstances have kicked you in the balls one too many times. And you might be saying, Arica, I don't feel so magnetic. But that is not the truth of who you actually are. I don't feel like a brown woman, but I have brown skin and I always have brown skin. Why am I using that? Because the reality is what we feel and the truth of who we are often very different. And the truth of the matter is that you are a magnetic man, that you have the power and the capabilities to change your life, that the essence of who you are is a highly lovable and desirable man. You've just not tapped into him. And because you haven't tapped into him, women don't see that about you. They don't feel that energy coming from you. But as you start listening to my words and you start getting in union, even if you don't feel like my words are true, you say, I choose to believe what Arica is saying about me. I choose to believe that I am a magnetic man. And as you start partnering with my words, you come in alignment with that. Your life begins to transform. You start becoming that magnetic man. Just like John, you start having experiences in your life that show you that yes, indeed, you are the magnetic man. Now, babe, here's a whole playlist of my videos that will encourage you, that will change the way that you see yourself so that women can start seeing you for the glorious magnetic man that you truly are. I'll see you in my next video. Make sure that you've subscribed.